Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra Wi-Fi is an exceptional tablet that stands out in the crowded market of premium devices. With its sleek design and robust performance, it caters to both professionals and average users seeking a high-quality tablet experience. The first thing that catches the eye is its impressive 14.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED display, which offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're streaming movies, playing games, or working on creative projects, the display truly enhances everything. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and quick app launches. The device comes with ample RAM, making it capable of handling demanding applications without any lag. For creative professionals, the inclusion of the S Pen is a game-changer, providing precision for drawing or note-taking, and it magnetically attaches to the tablet for easy storage. Battery life is another highlight. The Tab S9 Ultra boasts a long-lasting battery that easily supports full-day usage, whether you're working or enjoying media. Fast charging capability ensures you spend less time tethered to the wall. The tablet's sound quality is also noteworthy, featuring quad speakers tuned by AKG that deliver an immersive audio experience, perfect for video calls, movies, or music. On the software side, Samsung's One UI offers a user-friendly interface, with features that enhance productivity, such as split-screen multitasking and various app integrations. While the tablet is factory unlocked, this versatility allows users to connect to different networks seamlessly. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra Wi-Fi is a powerful, stylish, and versatile device. Its combination of a stunning display, robust performance, and productivity features makes it a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a premium tablet. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who enjoys media consumption, this tablet delivers an outstanding experience.